Welcome to our guide on the magnificent plum tree. Get ready to discover everything you need to know about planting, caring for, and harvesting this wonderful fruit tree. Plum trees are truly rewarding additions to any garden, offering both incredible beauty and delicious fruit. From the delicate blossoms in spring to the juicy plums in summer, these trees provide visual beauty and a delicious harvest. We'll guide you through the entire process, selecting the best variety, successful planting, essential care, pest management, and finally, harvesting your plums. First, let's look at the wonderful diversity within plum tree varieties. Plums generally fall into two main categories: European plums, often used for drying or eating fresh, and Japanese plums, known for their size and juiciness. When choosing a tree, consider your climate zone, as some varieties are more cold hardy. Also, check if your chosen plum needs a companion tree for pollination. Now for the exciting part, getting your plum tree into the ground. Plum trees thrive in full sun and require well-draining soil. Avoid planting in low areas where water tends to collect. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball. Gently place the tree, fill in the soil, and water thoroughly to settle the roots. Proper care and maintenance are crucial for a healthy, fruitful tree. Water regularly, especially during dry spells in the first few years. Apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring to encourage growth. Prune during the dormant season, usually late winter, to shape the tree, remove dead wood, and improve air circulation. No garden is without its challenges. Here's how to manage common plum tree issues. Be on the lookout for common pests like aphids and diseases such as brown rot, which affects the fruit. For pests, insecticidal soap can be effective. For fungal diseases, organic fungicides applied preventatively can help keep your tree healthy. The moment you've been waiting for. Knowing when and how to harvest is essential. Plums are ready when they achieve their full color and soften slightly to the touch. They should also easily twist off the branch. Harvest gently, rolling the plum between your fingers to detach it. Avoiding bruising ensures your plums stay fresh longer. We've covered the basics from planting to harvest. You're now equipped to grow your own successful plum tree. With a little dedication, you can enjoy the shade, blossoms, and juicy fruits of your very own magnificent plum tree. Ready to start growing? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening guides and tips.